Live news continues.
Welcome back to Solutions for Financial Independence. Joining me now, John Halterman with Beacon Wealth Management. How are you doing, John?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing really well, thank you. This week we have a question from Matt in Westover. He says, there's volatility in the market and it scares me to death. I hear the dollar is losing value. What should I be doing?
Wow, Matt, I get it, man, because who's not scared? I mean, when you look at your retirement savings and you sit there and watch it go down like it has over the last week, I mean, it's natural to feel like crap. But hold up. You know, the worst thing that a person can do is make an emotional decision, because investor behavior is probably the biggest reasons why people don't make money. Because the reality of it is, if we look at the last 2 days, we've seen a little bit of a rebound. And had a person reacted and pulled all their money out, they wouldn't have had that opportunity. So before you do something like that, here's a couple things I want you to think about. Number one, think about why you invested. Is this money for the long haul? Is it something that you're planning on doing for 20 years or longer? Think about your original risk tolerance. We all say, hey, we're comfortable with risk, but then all of a sudden, a little volatility changes that. Think about, other factors that's going to play into this. Do you need the money right now for income? And if those things haven't changed and you actually have an investment strategy, then I'm not sure, too sure you should just jump out. Now, if you don't have an investment strategy and you're not actively managing it, well, clearly, that's what you should be worried about is, what can I do to make sure I have a strategy in place? Because when you invest, I tell people all the time, don't allow a salesperson to sell you something. And there's a lot of those people out there. Make sure you talk to a professional who's going to sit down with you, take the time to understand you, and put together a true strategy that they're going to actively manage based upon what your objectives and your individual needs are.
So really just take some time to think. Don't act, think.
Absolutely. Perfect word. Take time to think, Matt. That's what I want you to do.
All right. Thank you so much, John. Folks, if you miss any of that, you can always find it online. Don't go anywhere. Much more for you after the break.